sleeping, 'cause I thought I could swim. We break up.
Hello guys, so today I'm coming with you with my weekly shopping, and as you can see right here we have our plantains, this is our gorget, and this is our hoho, which is called capsicum. We have the green capsicum and the red capsicum. We have our bananas, ripe bananas, cause zikiwa mbichi inaitwa plantains. And right here as you can see we have our sponge cake. I have this sponge cake in vanilla. We have our wafers. This is our wafer. We have two steel wire steel wool. And as you move right here, this is oranges, yes. And we have sponge cake in strawberry. We have pia sponge cake in pineapple. As you can see, we have pineapple, strawberry, and vanilla. Kwa wafers, we have the strawberry creams, and we have the lemon cream sandwich, yes. So we have our oranges right here, as you can see, and we have our U-Fresh, yes, right here we have our U-Fresh, and we have our chocolate cream biscuit. I love these biscuits guys, nazipenda sana. And as you can see here guys, we have our avocados. The reason why nimeziweka hivi hapa juu, it's because I wanted to explain to you guys, because I didn't know the names, and now I did my research and I think I have found the names of the avocados. So hii inaitwa hash, the other one is called Gwen, 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 and the other one is called Reed, Reed, Reed. I thought it was pronounced red, but never mind. It's called Reed, and those are the three types of avocados that I have. So I decided to buy those three types, and imagine they were sold at different places, so I had to buy from each person. Even down there we have some, and as you can see guys, the thing which I'm so excited about are these lemons. These lemons are huge. I'm going to make lemonade. They are so huge. I'm in love. We have our papaya, pawpaw or papaya, whichever you decide to call them. We have our cabbage, a big cabbage, it's so big. And we have our watermelon. I decided to just take they were almost 3, but you know what, I decided to eat 2. So right here we have our dania guys, yes. We have our spinach, we have our kales, and we have our tomatoes, and we have our eggs right there, our eggs. And then guys, I also got these snack eat corn puffs, yes. So one of this is rice and the other one is sugar. I think that's it guys. That's it for my weekly haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys learned something from my avocado experience. Yeah, so this one is called hash, and the other one is called Gwen, and the other one is called red. This one, red. You can also look, we have more than 40 types of avocado types. Yani mi nilikuwa naziangalia, I'm like, oh my goodness, and I didn't even know. Mi najua tu zinaitwa avocado. So I hope you guys learned something from this haul, and I hope you benefited kitu. At least utakuwa ukisema mi nakula hash avocado. Okay guys, so I think that's it. I'm going to organize everything and keep kwa container yake penye zinafaa kuwa, and then I'm going to show you everything once it's inside my refrigerator. Guys, so this is my refrigerator. I know, and it has only been like a few days, like 10 days, like kila kitu iliisha. So this is what it's left. At least right here nimeweka some stuff, but here it's empty. Let me refill it and I'll come back to you guys. So this is the before. Wait and see the after. As usual, wait and see the after. I'm going to remove everything and then I wipe kila kitu niweke penye vitu zinafaa kwa, then I'll come back. So this is the before. Kusota nayo. The before.
Every weekend, was it gonna be like that? Oh, I just wanted you so bad. Playing with my mind, was that your intention? Cause I'm missing you. Cause I'm missing you.
But no care on anyone on name. But no care on anyone do you name. But no care on.
Guys, here are everything that I've washed. Everything is air drying. As you can see, I've washed everything. And my containers are right there. I'm going to wash them and dry them. So, in the meantime, hizi ziko hapa tu zina kauka. Oh. Guys, so I'm so done washing and organizing my stuff. Hapa nipo nimeziwekelea while I clean my refrigerator and the floors. So this is everything. At least zimetosha kwa container. I do need some few containers because guys, it really is taking a lot, and I think I've bought enough stuff for the week. So I have my avocados right here. Hizi ni mbichi na hizi zimeiva ripe, na zenye zijaiva in my nyanya, my lemons, my dania. By the way, dania, if you want them to last long, please ukiziweka kwa fridge, make sure kwa roots umekata, alafu kwa hizo stem you put wet serviette or paper towels, whatever you need. They will last you a while. So everything else is organized, and woo, let me show you how my fridge is looking without nothing inside. Oh guys, so this is how my refrigerator is looking before I start putting everything in. It's looking nice. It's clean. I have wiped it and it's lovely. So let's refill it and I'll come back when I'm through. If you want to see me refilling my refrigerator ama nikiweka vitu ndani, you can comment down below. If not, then let me just show you. Oh guys, I am so done. Let me show you how it looks like.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient, and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing. All our minds, we put the work in, we got some work, man. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. This life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass halfway. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone. Just wanna break, no, I'm not gonna give in. Take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old